channel. I am Nymisha. How are you guys doing? Do let me know by commenting down in the comment box. Today I'm back with an interesting nail art. It is a newspaper print nail art. It is very easy to make and it looks cool and different on your nails. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
First of all, start off by applying a base coat. Please excuse me for the lighting and the bad nails. I do have very irregular nails. Once the base coat is done, let it dry. After it is dried, take a white nail polish and apply it on all the nails. Let the first coat dry and after that is dried, apply a second layer of the white color. We need an opaque base color, so we are doing a second coat. Once this is done, let it dry and remove the excess nail polish which you have on your cuticles using a cotton swab dipped in nail polish remover. This will not take more than 2 minutes. Once this is done, take a bowl with water and some newspapers. You can also take alcohol instead of water. So dip the paper in the water and place it on the nail and just give it a nice dab. Press it nicely. Do the same thing with the other nails as well. Your fingers for about 10 to 15 seconds, then remove the paper. That would look something like this after removing. Now top it off with a top coat which is transparent in color. The final output would look something like this.
So it is this simple to make this nail art. You can also try this nail art with other colors like light pink, parrot green and other light colors. Make sure that you use light colors so that the black letters will be more visible on the nail paint. And one more thing to be noted, if you have weak or fragile nails, do not try this with alcohol because alcohol may damage your nails and it makes your nails even more weaker.
However, the outcome with the alcohol has more bright letters. Here the right one is done with alcohol and the left with water. You can see the difference.
So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.